Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we will discuss on risk register, and for that we use this risk matrix, and which contains the probability level of occurrence from 1 to 5 and the impact level of that rated from 1 to 5, and then we will have this matrix. So first of all, we'll just write our project here. Project name XYZ. We can say project manager and the date, which this date will be updated every day. Here is the risk description. Here is the risk impact. Here is the impact level, and here is the probability, and this is a priority level. We have a mitigation plan, owner, to manage that risk, the action, and the status. So we'll discuss this in detail. And just before that, here we have an instruction page where we will be guided by this instruction, and I'm not going to just go in through all this and let you read by yourself this one. Here is the benefit page. The benefit page is easy and convenient to enter the data. It automatically generates risk rating matrix and give big picture of the project, and it indicates change in the project risk and suggests to plan mitigation plan and take action, support to follow up project or programs. So in terms of for whom this is recommended, for example, for agile team, scrum master, project or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators or leads, meal staff, M&D staff, team coordinators, even individual project owners and consultants can use it. So let's get directly to it. Here is the description of the risk. For example, lack of mechanical expertise lead to design flaws. So the risk level is we can choose from drop down list, which says from rated from very high, high, medium, low, and very low. In this particular case, this is rated as very high, and the impact level is rated from 1 to 5, 1 low and 5 high. In this particular case, the impact level is high. The probability level is will be rated from low to 5, which is high, and this for this particular risk is rated 5. Then the priority level will be set by multiplying this the impact level and the probability level. In this particular case is 10 to 5. Then the mitigation plan, you will actually select the mitigation plan from drop down list, and in this particular case is to just mitigate this higher additional mechanical engineer. Here is who is the owner to manage this risk. Here is the project manager is selected, but we have also a list of resources here. For example, the project manager, system integration team, software development team, financial manager, compliance officer, and so on from the drop down menu. There, here is the action, and then the action is hire additional mechanical engineer or partnership with a specialized firm. That is the action to mitigate that risk. Uh, uh, this lack of mechanical expertise. Then the status will be regulated, and the status can be an open, ongoing, or completed. In this particular case, we have select open. Then That's how. Let's come to the next description. Inadequate system integration lead to delays. This is rated as high, and the impact level is 5, the probability level is 5, and the priority level is as high, therefore. So, in this, the mitigation plan is implement comprehensive testing and verification. For this, the owner is the system integration team, and the action is implement and testing and verification, and here is ongoing, and so on. That's how we can actually manage the risk. Similarly, for the issue number 3, inefficient system integration lead to system instability. Here is this is rated as medium. If, for example, I select low, the color will be changed. That's also very important to show us how the system is dynamic, and here the color also actually suggests us how we are actually should be responsive for very high and for high priority level, which is actually marked by red color should be given priority, then for yellow colors, and then for green colors. So that's how we can actually easily manage our project risk management. So for third one, for example, this is 12, the impact times the probability is 12, and so probably we can actually delay this risk until we solve the first two. Then for this, use proven software and engage experienced software developer is the mitigation plan. The owner is software development team, and the action is here. Use proven software and engage experienced developer, and this is ongoing. You can change if it's completed to completed, and this is dynamically changes. So for the fourth one is incur cost estimate result in budget overruns. This is rated as low, and the impact level is 3, rated to be 3. The probability level rated to be 3, and the priority is here. Then develop detailed cost estimation and include contingency is an mitigation plan, and this is supposed to be managed by financial manager, and the action is to develop detailed cost estimation, and here is the status. This is completed. Similarly, for the last one, which is failure to comply with regulatory requirement, lead to legal or financial penalties. The risk level is rated here low, very low, but you can actually manipulate based on your reality on the ground in actual case. The impact level rated 1, and the probability level rated 1, and probably this may not be actually require much attention in our management of the risk. Then ensuring all regulatory requirements are met is a mitigation plan, and this is managed by a compliance officer and conduct through research on all applicable regulation is the action. We have to actually make a research and identify all the applicable regulations in which you are actually supposed to comply with. Then this status is ongoing. We can actually, as soon as it is finalized, we can just change into completed. So this is a very simple and very productive risk management tool. where we can actually manage our risk. So, as you have said, this is a very important to mitigate a risk mitigation plan and use it in actual case. So that's it, and thank you very much for coming to our channel. And if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and sharing our videos to your colleagues and connections. Once again, thank you very much and bye bye.